Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to be showing you how to make perfect vanilla cake. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Heather and I am the recipe creator and cookbook author at bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another baking recipe and tutorial. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect vanilla layer cake. I grew up on box mix. I'm not gonna lie, this vanilla cake is 1,000 times better than any box cake mix you'll ever taste. It's gonna use cake flour, which will yield a really great tender cake, buttermilk for moisture, and then we're gonna use a combination of softened creamed butter with oil. So you're gonna get flavor with also the oil to help keep it moist. So let's get started. Let's make my vanilla cake. First, we're going to start by whisking together our dry ingredients. I have here 3 1/4 cups cake flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Go ahead and just give that a whisk. Go ahead and set that aside. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to cream together butter, sugar, and oil. So I'm starting with 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. I have a half a cup here of vegetable oil, or you could also use canola oil. And then I have 2 cups of granulated sugar. We're gonna cream this together for about 2 minutes on medium speed until it's nice and light and fluffy and combined. Now that that is combined, I'm gonna go ahead and add in 4 eggs. I'm going to add them in one at a time and beat to combine after each one. I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Now we're going to go ahead and alternate our dry ingredients with our buttermilk. We're going to do this in 3 addition. We're going to start and end with the flour. So start by adding about 1/3 of the dry ingredients. You can go ahead and just eyeball this. Looks good. Go ahead and add about half of the buttermilk. Now that it's mostly combined, there's just a little bit of flour left to mix in. I'm going to just stir the little bit left with my spatula to ensure that I do not overmix my cake batter. Now we can go ahead and divide this between our cake pans. I have here 2 9-inch cake pans that I have greased and lined the bottoms with parchment. I'm going to give them one last final spray. Then go ahead and divide the batter evenly between your 2 cake pans. You'll bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. So there you go, that is how to make my perfect vanilla layer cake. I layered it with my chocolate buttercream frosting, but of course you can use any frosting you want with this cake. If you like this recipe, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.